Welcome to Fast Fix. For today's video, I will show you how to download Pinterest video. So open your Pinterest app. Now if you want to download this video right here, all you're gonna do is tap the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on copy link. Now once you copy this video right over here, need to go to Google Chrome and search for Pinterest video downloader, and you need to choose the second link right over here. So tap this link, pinterestvideodownloader.com. Now right here you can see this box. You just paste the link right here, and then you just tap on download. So wait for a second. Now you can choose the video size that you want. So for example, I want download this 720. Now once you've done, you can see now the downloaded video from Pinterest. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.